there's really three questions that every audience has, when you're presenting anything to them, whether it be writing or through presentation itself. And that is the three questions in the back of their mind is, you know, can I trust this person? Is the information that the person's coming from, is that someone that is credible? And you think about, anytime you watch a news program and they have a guest on who's an expert, the first thing they do is run you through all their credentials, right?
Right.
Before that person ever opens their mouth. The reason they do that is because they're building the person's credibility before they open their mouth. And now you're thinking, okay, this person's an expert. I just heard them lay it out. So what are you doing to build, your credibility and build trust with your audience? That's number one.
Hmm.
The second one is, does this person understand me or my needs, right? And that's more of the connection, that personal connection. Is is uh, is what they're talking about even relevant to me, and does it matter to me, right? So that ability to, do I trust you? Do you speak to my needs? And the third one is, do I even understand you? Am I following you logically, and are you making it easy for me? So if you go into every communication thinking to yourself, how am I going to build trust? How am I going to speak to their personal needs? And how am I going to lay it out in a way that's easy for them to follow? You focus on those three things, and you'll have much better outcomes to your communications.